Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just wanted to share with you a sketch of Lara Croft. I've been playing the trilogy series on the PS3, so I figured why not do a sketch. This is using some foreshortening techniques, just kind of a general style of Lara Croft, not really sticking to one video game or Angelina Jolie specifically. And yeah, all pencil. 8.5 by 11 paper. Hope you enjoy it. If you want to use it as a reference for, putting your own character or just, looking at it as a study of some different Lara Croft attire, characteristics, things like that. Anyways, have a great day. I got some more drawings that I'll be posting. I have about 40 that I haven't posted because I just don't post much. So anyways, have a great day.